What is up? It's MTG of MTG Reviews, and today we are changing the tires on the M340i because they are chopped. And we are changing them to which ones?
It is a surprise. Let's go.
Okay, let's get to it.
Yo, what's up guys? This is the intern of MTG Reviews. We're here at Tire Mart. As you can see, we're driving a M340. We are here for something expensive. Tires. No one warns you about this. As you can see, there's a damage on the inside of the tire. We don't know how that happened. Tell us if you've experienced this. Tell us on the comments what could have caused that. So yeah, let us show you what's happening.
So here's the damage. And the crazy thing is, it didn't hit anything. It's just how the tire is damaged. And this is not the only car actually with this kind of damage. I know another 3 Series, which is a 330i, it's a G20 as well, that had a similar damage. And you can see there's pitting on the tire as well. So you can easily get a puncture because of this as well. Look at this. Look at this. And yeah, it's a BMW thing, I guess. I don't know.
Okay guys, as I've mentioned, we're changing tires. So since this is an X drive, it is advisable to change all tires. Unfortunately, last year I only changed that tire, so that one is still as good as new. These two they're gone. So these two definitely need to go. If I had to, I would only change these two and leave the ones at the back. But because, hey, you want to launch a M340, you want to be doing speed. So, as I was saying, that if I had to change, I would be changing the front ones, leave the ones at the back. You look at that. That's an expensive exercise right there. All 4 tires on an X5 M50. Yeah, but anyways, we do it for this, right? I saw this other guy saying, a car is a depreciating asset, and human beings are also depreciating assets. So why not do it while you're still at the top? But as I was saying, this tire is quite damaged. It needs to go. You will see, we will put the prices, we'll put everything right at the top. And yeah, let's go.
So we headed into the reception. So the thing about these specific tires is that they are quite hard to find. You can't just, well, I guess you can, but we're not able to do that. You can't just like go into a tire shop and just get them. They're not like readily or always readily available. So we had to order and wait for them. So on this day, everything was already organized. Got the car in, and the brewer started working on it. Did you hear that whistle? Yeah, it was really that bad. The tires were actually in worse condition than what we were able to see when they were still on the car. So yeah guys, if you have a 3 Series BMW, make sure that you check your tires and your wheel alignment regularly, because yeah, this was actually too risky to drive like this. So it looks fine from what you can look, but on the inside it wears out really bad. So yeah, just be on the lookout. And then these are the new tires. You can't really see the name yet, but yeah, as you can see, the thread are full. Only one tire company that I know that actually has a lot of thread like this. If you know, you know. But yeah, I mean, without further delay, these are the new tires. So yeah, it's all 4 of them. Quite pricey actually. I will get to the price in a bit. And these ones should actually handle better, but I think I've mentioned it that they don't have the run flat feature. So if something happens to a tire or 2 of them, yeah, you're not going anywhere. You should just call BMW and then they come and take your car. So that's the negative, but they are sporty. That's the positive. So yeah, and the price, they're actually quite pricey. So here's the total price of all 4 tires. And yeah, it's a lot. Nothing compared to that X5 that was leaving when we got here. For sure, that one is even worse because it's running 315s at the back. It's done now. Now we're running Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. These are the rear ones. And going to the front as well. Same thing. So changing all round tires, and even on the other side, same thing. As you can see, it's new tires. New tires. And the car could tell that there's new tires installed as well, which is kind of interesting. And we're trying to launch it to get to see the differences, but yeah, we couldn't get like proper space to do that. So yeah, guys, until the next time, thank you so much. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe and like the video. I know it's been a while. Maybe we'll get into that, what's happening behind the scenes one day. But yeah, for now, just subscribe and like the video and comment there. Leave a comment. Thank you so much.